Gregory from the Do and Do Little. I'm the mother of the duo. We're doing a demonstration of makeup and wigs. This is Emma by Heraremy. She is a lace part wig. She is in the color 1B and she's approximately 24 inches in length. This is all the goodies that you get with the wig. Lots of stuff. Okay, there's Gray, my daughter. She's priming her face for the makeup look. Gotta make sure we're moisturized. Now she's doing her eyebrows. She likes to get them eyebrows done. She'll do this over and over and over again. She's basically just filling them in. She has very thick eyebrows, but then she does have some sparse areas. Still doing them eyebrows. Putting on a little bit of foundation. The foundation she uses is by Black Radiance in the color Espresso. Back to the eyebrows again. We've got to figure out a new camera position. Now we're doing some contouring around our eyes and eyebrows. Trying to figure out which sponge to use. Blending it all in. Guess she figured she didn't have enough contour. Back to the eyebrows. Now we're doing some shadow. We decided on a very dark look and dramatic look today, so we're using a different shades of gray. Blending it out. This is more of a charcoal gray. It looks more greenish to me, but it said gray. The eyeshadow palette is by Icon. All makeup used will be listed in the description box below. Blending that shadow out. Guess you put a little too much that time. Gotta check your work. Now we're going into the tear ducts with different shades of gray. She even eventually pulls out a bright silver for the tear ducts eventually. Gives the eyes a little pop. She needed a little more foundation. Trying to even out that skin tone, even though I think her skin tone's pretty even. Still blending that eyeshadow. Now we're doing contouring to the nose, forehead, chin, and under the eye. And we did see something on YouTube about doing all your different shades of contour all at the same time. So we're trying to see. We're using it as a bronzer, I guess. Now we're blending it all out. Needed a little bit of water to help with the blending. You wouldn't believe she learned how to put makeup on not by her mother, but by YouTube. Blending, blending, blending. Looks pretty good to me. Now we're gonna bake a little bit. Very little. Brushing away that powder. Back to the eyebrows again. Now we're going to do some liquid eyeliner by e.l.f. We decided to go with a dramatic eye look. We put on the lashes off screen. blush. And we're putting on a little bit of highlighter. On the nose, a little bit over the lips. Final results. Now we're doing our lips. That's a lip pencil in the same color as the lipsticks. They came together as a set. She's looking down at all her e.l.f. brushes to figure out what's a good one to blend in that pencil. There we go. Now lipstick. It's a very matte lipstick. We put a lighter shade in the center of the lips. Now it's wig time. There's Emma. There's all her elastic bands and her part. That's me in the back. I've already highlighted her part. We'll do a little touch up so it blends more in with her face. She kept saying it's making her look like an old lady. I told her when we finish, let's see how it goes. Trying to work out these layers. Figured we'd cut them a little more. Just a little bit. Final results. Yeah, it's about 24 inches in length, but she is over 6 feet tall. We didn't like that middle part look. There we go. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you. Until the next time. Bye.